Guys, so I have the hiccups, and there's a lot of videos out on how to get rid of them, and this is one technique that I use to get rid of them. It's got a lot to do with holding your breath, breathing as deep as you possibly can, fill up your lungs as much as you can, but you need a flat surface like a wall, floor, bed, something you could bounce off of. And what that does is it actually pushes your lungs onto your diaphragm, and it squeezes out whatever air is there to make this involuntary spasm, if you will. So let's see if it works this time. All right, how it goes. And there you have it. Hiccups are finally gone. So I've been using this technique for a long time, and it works every single time I use it. So yeah, you just gotta fill your air up with as much air, fill your lungs up with as much air you possibly can, and just bounce on something, and they go away. So hopefully this helps you guys. Have a good one.